Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to Spec World. I assume that everyone around the world watching this video are waiting for the launch of iPhone 16 Pro Max and expected specs and prices, including you, especially Apple fans and iPhone lovers. So in this video, I am going to compare the Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max versus iPhone 15 Pro Max based on leaks and rumors on the web. To know more about the expected specifications, prices and release date, watch this video till the end, and also please tell us in the comment which one do you prefer to have. Let's start the comparison from performance, because it is the most important factor for smartphones. The operating system of 16 Pro Max will be coming with iOS 18, while the 15 Pro Max comes with iOS 17. As a result, 16 Pro Max will have smoother performance. The chipset of 16 Pro Max will be Apple A18 Pro, which may be 2 nanometers, and the chip of 15 Pro Max is a 17 Pro, which is 3 nanometers. The winner is 16 Pro Max. The CPU of 16 Pro Max will be octa-core 3.83 GHz, and the CPU of 15 Pro Max is hexa-core 3.78 GHz. The winner is 16 Pro Max. The GPU of 16 Pro Max will be Apple GPU 6-core graphics, and the GPU of 15 Pro Max is Apple GPU 6-core graphics. As a result, both have equal points. Both the 16 Pro Max and 15 Pro Max support 5G network. As a result, both are equal. Display is very important for having a better user experience. The screen type of 16 Pro Max is LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED, and the screen of 15 Pro Max is also LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED. As a result, both are equal. Refresh rate of 16 Pro Max is 120 Hz, and the refresh rate of 15 Pro Max is also 120 Hz. As a result, both are equal. The highest screen brightness of 16 Pro Max is 2000 nits. And the highest brightness of 15 Pro Max is also 2000 nits, so both of them are equal. The screen size of 16 Pro Max is 6.7 inches. The screen-to-body ratio is 89.8%, and the screen size of 15 Pro Max is also 6.7 inches, and the screen-to-body ratio is 89.8%. As a result, both of them are equal. The screen resolution of 16 Pro Max is 1290x 2796 pixels, and the resolution of 15 Pro Max is also 1290x 2796 pixels. As the result, both are equal. The pixel density of 16 Pro Max 460 ppi, and the pixel density of 15 Pro Max is also 60 ppi, so both of them are equal. The screen protection of both 16 Pro Max and 15 Pro Max are ceramic shield glass, so both are equal. Memory is very important for storing more files and apps. The 16 Pro Max will be coming with 256 and 512 GB and 1 TB and 2 TB internal storage options, while the 15 Pro Max comes with 256 and 512 GB and 1 TB storage. As a result, the winner is 16 Pro Max. The RAM of both 16 Pro Max and 15 Pro Max are 8 GB, so both are equal. Both the 16 Pro Max and the 15 Pro Max will not support external memory. As a result, no points for both phones. Camera is another key factor for choosing a better phone. The 16 Pro Max has triple camera, which includes 48MP main, wide camera, 12MP periscope telephoto camera, and 12MP ultra-wide camera, while the 15 Pro Max has triple camera, which includes 48MP main, wide camera, 12MP periscope telephoto camera, and 12MP ultra-wide camera. In general, there will be some improvements and extra features in 16 Pro Max, but based on megapixels, as a result, both are equal. The highest video recording quality of 16 Pro Max is 4K at 60 FPS, and the highest video quality of 15 Pro Max is 4K at 60 FPS. As a result, both are equal. The selfie camera of 16 Pro Max is 12MP wide, and the selfie camera of 15 Pro Max is 12MP. As a result, both are equal. The highest front video quality of 16 Pro Max is 4K, yes, and the front video quality of 15 Pro Max is 4K at 60 FPS. As a result, both are equal. Battery is very important for most smartphone users. The battery capacity of 16 Pro Max will be 4,500 mAh, while the battery of 15 Pro Max is 4,441 mAh. The winner is 16 Pro Max. The 16 Pro Max will be charged 50% in 30 minutes in wired charging and has 15-watt MagSafe wireless charging. And the 15 Pro Max supports 50% in 30 minutes in wired charging and has 15-watt MagSafe wireless charging. As a result, both are equal. The USB port of both 16 Pro Max and 15 Pro Max are USB-C. As a result, both are considered equal. Let's see the body design. The body size of 16 Pro Max would come in 160.7 x 77.6 x 7.9 mm, while the size of 15 Pro Max is 159.9 x 76.7 x 8.3 mm. As a result, there are slight differences in dimensions, but in general, both are considered equal. Both the 16 Pro Max and 15 Pro Max comes with IP68 rating, which is dust water resistant, up to 6M for 30 minutes. As a result, both are considered equal. Both the sensor of 16 Pro Max and 15 Pro Max are Face ID lock. There are rumors that 16 Pro Max will have fingerprint as well. As a result, this feature of both are considered equal. Finally, price is a decision-making factor for buyers. So, let's see the estimated prices in different markets. The price of 16 Pro Max is $1,299, and the estimated price of 15 Pro Max is $1,199 in relevant markets. As expected release date of iPhone 16 Pro Max and other iPhone 16 series are as usually in September 2024. You can check the lowest prices and detailed information of both phones through the links in the description of this video. Thanks for watching till this moment, and now is the time to announce the final winner. But before announcing the winner, please like, comment, and subscribe the Spec World channel for our upcoming videos. And for watching specs and comparisons of other smartphones, please visit the 16 Pro Max got total 24 points, while the 15 Pro Max got total 19 points. So the winner is clear, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max is the winner. See you in the next video. Peace out. Disclaimer: the winner in this comparison is based only on numbers and technical factors and does not mean as your personal choice. We recommend you to check the links in description for more details.